towel's in really good shape. Nothing pulled away here, but we've got some of these that have been falling away here. It's cracked all the way. And you can see this epoxy that was put on here. And we'll get all this looking great for them. So everything is finished up. On this bench area, I did an extra fiberglass coating on that. Fiberglass resin basically is what it is, fiberglass mixed with polyester. And anyway, it's just to lock in where the towel were coming loose that the gentleman that was here told me about. So I made sure those were in there good and secure. Put the fiberglass resin over that, cured that up, and then put the porcelain glaze over that. And I'm just going over the tub and everything for you. It turned out really good, I think. But I'm biased. And just let me know if you have any problems. I put the slip resistant resin on the bottom of it. And then of course, I'm just gonna kind of go over the, and your tub stopper. I just set it on this little shelf. And then, let's see here if I can, everything looks, like I say, really good and has a great gloss to it. Slip resistant resin is on the bottom, just a real mild slip resistant. And then of course I did all the way to the bottom of the tub and up to here, and you know, did your shower walls just like you wanted and everything. So anyway, I think you'll be really happy with it, and I'll get your receipt or your invoice over to you here pretty quick. And thank you so much for the work. I appreciate it.